Hi there. Today I want to show you the Analytics app. The app has two components, a chart and also a detailed table. The table reflects whatever is shown on a graph, but on a sim level. Before I show you some tips with the table, let's see what you can analyze and compare. There are 7 metrics to choose between. Total consumption across all sims, data consumption by groups, tags, order ID, or countries. Groups and tags help you oversee your inventory. Order ID is a good reference to understand your different deployments. You can also see SMS sending and review your monthly costs. You can select visible time period and compare it to the previous time period. You can toggle between line charts and columns depending on what exactly are you analyzing and what gives you a better understanding. And for longer periods, it's probably helpful to select common denominator monthly instead of seeing statistics per day. Last but not least, you can filter to see specific portion of the inventory. You can look for specific SIMs by ICCID or EID. You can look for SIMs in specific status or in a particular country. Plus, you can add minimum and maximum thresholds for both data consumption and SMS sending. Now, let's continue to the detailed table. As I mentioned, the table reflects everything visible on the chart on the top, but on a sim level. Right now, you can see data consumption of the last 28 days and the previous period, plus a reference to the average across all sims in the brackets can be added if you toggle show average on top as well. Now, what's cool about the table is that you can add extra columns for better oversight. For example, if you use sim names, you can make them visible to better understand what sims you are looking at. If you have eSIMs, you can show EID as an identification. But for better inventory handling, you can arrange the table by groups or tags. So let's select groups. You can see I have a lot of groups, so it takes a bit of time. But for each and every group, I can see the total consumption and continue to see the same comparison to the previous period and the average. Yet if I'm interested, I can open up one group and see what sims are inside it and their consumption. I'm sure you will significantly benefit from the Analytics app, and there isn't a better way to get to know it but play with it yourself. So give it a go and don't hesitate to give us feedback if you do.